In this video, I will show you how to use Darwinbox. Darwinbox Beginner's Tutorial. Darwinbox receives widespread praise for its user-friendly design and mobile-first approach, making it accessible for employees and HR professionals alike. The platform is well organised, with clear workflows for common HR functionalities, such as leave management, performance tracking and attendance. Users particularly appreciate its customizable workflow, which enables companies to tailor processes without requiring extensive coding or developers' input. This flexibility empowers HR teams to build their own automation, forms and approval processes, which leads to faster adaptation, improved operational efficiency, and more. Darwinbox integration capabilities are also very noteworthy, allowing it to connect easily with existing payroll systems, enterprise software, and communication tools, making it a central hub for employee data and your operations. Another standout feature is its AI-powered modules. Darwinbox Sense also includes AI intelligence features like resume ranking, predictive performance analysis, skill-based hiring recommendations, and more. These advanced capabilities help HR departments to make data-driven decisions more confidently and improve your talent acquisition strategies. Additionally, many organisations highlight the scalability of the platform, noting that it handles everything from small teams to enterprise grade with thousands of employees. The mobile app is particularly useful for organisations with distributed or remote teams, providing on-the-go access to essential functionalities, such as payslips, requests, attendance, and more. This accessibility contributes to a smoother employee experience and encourages higher adoption across different organisations. Despite these advantages, Darwinbox is not without drawbacks. One of its most frequent cited issues is the complexity of the initial setup process. While the platform is highly customizable, the flexibility can lead to long implementation times and steep learning curves for administrators. Organisations often need dedicated training or external consultants to properly configure the systems to meet your unique requirements and workflows. This delay development and reduces the speed for which businesses can realise the value of their software. Moreover, some users report that part of the interface, particularly the developer version, feels very outdated or less intuitive compared to the more modern HR platforms. Customer support also receives mixed reviews. While large enterprise-grade clients enjoy priority service and dedicated account managers, smaller businesses sometimes experience slow responsive times, inconsistent resolutions, and disparity. The disparity in support quality can lead to frustration, especially when urgent technical problems do arise. Additionally, the mobile app functionality lacks polish in certain areas, with users reporting glitches or limited interactivity. These issues, while not universal, indicate that Darwinbox may not yet have fully matured its user experience across all of its touchpoints. Ultimately, companies considering the platform should weigh the power of customization against the potential challenges in usability and supportive responsiveness. Darwinbox operates on a custom pricing model, tailored to specific needs of different organisations. The approach allows companies to choose only modules that they require, making it scalable for mid-size and large enterprises. Users report ultimately that they spend $10 to $100 per employee per month, depending on the feature set that they need or services that they require. For organisations looking to implement modules such as recruitment, onboarding, performance management, and AI analytics, the total cost can increase significantly. However, many clients feel that the pricing reflects the depth of features and long-term value that the platform does provide to many of its users. One aspect of it is customers are also mindful of the additional cost of implementation and consultation. While Darwinbox positions itself as a cost-effective alternative to legacy platforms, some users report unexpected expenses during the onboarding process due to training requirements and configuration complexity. This leads to the return on investment tends to realise over a longer period of time. When of Darwinbox properly implemented, users generally find the system easy to navigate and to operate every day, such as requesting time off, checking attendance records, or reviewing performance evaluations are all as streamlined as possible and accessible for HR. The mobile-first design is especially appreciated by many users who frequent on the move or operate in industries such as logistics, retail or manufacturing. where access to desktop may be limited. Employees can interact with the platform through its clean interface and its simplified workflow. These all enhance the adoption across all levels of the organisation. The ease of use also contributes to the increased employee satisfaction and greater compliance of HR policies. However, the ease of use may be less apparent during the initial stages of adoption. Administrative users often face a steep learning curve when configuring modules and building customized workflows. While the no-code interface is helpful, it requires time and familiarity to master. Some users also note that the system's performance can lack during peak usage hours or even certain features. Particularly its analytical dashboard or AI capabilities may not be as responsive as they expect it to. Despite these concerns, once teams become accustomed to the platform and processor stability, day-to-day usability tends to improve significantly. Darwinbox offers long-term and strong user experiences that rewards early investment, setup and training, and makes it worth it for your business. Darwinbox competes in a wide range of HR platforms across different markets and organisation sizes, against enterprise-focused systems like Workday, SuccessFactors, or SAP, or even Oral HCRM. Darwinbox offers more agile, faster implementation times and better cost effectiveness, which are all advantages and particularly attractive for mid-sized businesses and enterprise in emerging markets that require a modern solution without a heavy footprint or legacy system. Its strong mobile capabilities and localized features for Asia Pacific and Middle East regions also gives it an edge in those geographical regions. Particularly in lighter SaaS, particularly in Bamboo HR, HiBob or Darwin delivers a more broader suite of features and deeper configurability. While it makes it more suitable for companies seeking long-term scalability, it may also be too complex or resource intensive for smaller organisations or little solo entrepreneurs with simpler needs. Competitors like Rippling often find superior user interface and faster time to value for businesses that prioritise simplicity over depth. Overall, Darwinbox stands out as a powerful and flexible HR platform that can support an entire employee lifecycle, from recruitment and onboarding to performance management and payroll integration. Its emphasis on mobility, configuration, and AI-driven insights makes it a brilliant choice for many different organisations looking to modernise their HR operations and centralise their workflow data. The platform's strength lies in its adaptability, regional expertise and depth in features, providing across different various HR functionalities. For companies that are willing to invest in setup, training and long-term usage, Darwinbox can offer significant operational benefits and improve your employee experiences. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.